today. It's bright and early. You're not gonna be able to see us outside because it's not even 7 in the morning. It's 6:30. And I am scared to death of getting motion sick. So I've taken the maximum dose of our meclizine. And I just saw a post on Facebook. This lady, what do I take to go on a cruise again and not get sick? And I'm like scared all over again because I totally threw up all over the boat the last time Jason and I did this in Kauai years and years ago, but still, I know my system. So I took the maximum dose, which is 4, and the kids Ashley took 1. I gave her 1.5 pills, which is technically like under 12. They're not supposed to take it, but we know it works for her. And Kaylee and Abby got half of an adult dose. So, wish us luck, because we're super excited to go, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So everyone's kind of sore with sunburns. We're putting aloe on.
I mean, it's literally just my...
And look at this. Chelsea fits into Ashley's old rash guard, which is perfect.
Like this.
Yeah, it was totally too big on Ashley, but it's perfect for Chelsea for today. We're going to try and cover up as many of them as we can. So, wish us luck. You ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be kind of fun, huh?
Joining us on this absolutely beautiful Aloha Wednesday. My name is Captain Heather. I'll be driving for you. Nick is here helping out as well. Please don't hesitate to ask. We do have breakfast for you downstairs.
So did you like it? Or did you last very long? You didn't last very long, huh? That's okay.
I don't really like getting in the water that much.
Well, it's a little nerve-wracking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and something kind of stung her legs. I don't think it was anything in particular. I think it was just like our sunburns and sunscreen and salt water. But we had a good time, and poor Chelsea down here. You see her down there? She's not feeling so good. I thought getting in the water would help her. She lasted a little bit longer than Ashley did, but she's not, I mean, it's not gonna be good for her to sit on this rocking boat right now, but I've given her as much of the medicine as I can. So we're just gonna watch the snorkelers for a little bit longer, and then I think we get lunch and then make our way back. It's quite a long trip to come out here to this island of Lanai behind us, but maybe it'll go quicker going back. So. Right, Ash?
Yeah, I ate half.
We got turkey sandwiches and drinks and chips and a cookie, I think is what's in there.
Yeah.
We've got one down still. She's right there. And one close over here. But then Abby and Jason and Ashley are doing good. Oh, don't you dare spill that all over my bag. I'm gonna put this away so I can eat. And then we're gonna go around again and try and find the dolphins and then whales on our way back.
I'm sort of having a headache.
You're having a headache?
Sort of.
Are you having a good time though? You're surprising me the most. You haven't gotten sick at all.
Yeah.
That medicine works good for you.
I'm just getting an awful headache.
Okay, sit down.
We are getting some blustery weather right now. Big wind. See those palm trees blowing? I don't know. Says it's supposed to pass soon, so we'll see.
Well, Jason and I are all cleaned up and ready to go down to Duke's to eat dinner. It's just the restaurant here on site, and it's like a really good restaurant. And it's all blustery and gross outside, but it says it's supposed to blow over at between 5 and 6, which is like in 10-15 minutes. So hopefully we have a beachside, you know, weather. Otherwise this isn't going to be a very pleasant dinner, because it's like open hut dinner. Oh, I really wanted to go to dinner here, and you know, I don't know, we'll have to see here. You can see, Jason showed you earlier, but it's all blustery, and I'd go out there but you wouldn't be able to hear me. See the trees blowing. I know it could, you know, it'll pass, but it's pretty blustery out there right now. So we got a seat front and center. We got lucky. We stuck it out and waited and...
So we're in now, just kind of sitting outside. If it really rains
But we're
again,
under a tent.
under a tent. If it rains heavy again, we might be in trouble.
Yeah, but they just opened it up to anyone if there's reservations that are canceled or whatnot, and we get to be front and center. But maybe we won't get our little ambiance music played from the, you know, ook player tonight, but we still get a view of the water. Excited to eat? Well, we got lucky.
We did. That wasn't a very long wait at all. We got in.
No. Super good food. And man, those crab cakes.
Oh, the crab cakes are like...
They were the best I've ever had. And I've had some really good crab cakes in Seattle. But those were like...
Oh, they were great.
I mean, fresh.
And I got the filet mignon,
So did I.
well, I should have gotten it medium well, maybe, I think. Just a
Little pink.
But they cooked it the way I wanted, so it was perfect, but I should have gotten a little more pink. That's my fault.
But even the ladies, they were like, you're gonna wait here for 2 hours to get in, and even then it might still rain, and it hasn't rained since we got in, and they kind of chuckled. They were like, well, you guys were right, you got in. Oh, there's a little peek of a sunset.
Little glow.
I'll show you a little peek of a sunset. Okay, little peek of a sunset right through there.
Peek over there. Otherwise it's too cloudy.
Otherwise, yeah, the rest of this is not going to show us any kind of a sunset over here. So we have to look right back over there to get any kind of a sunrise or sunset. What am I saying?